Hi, this is your BGS Michael again. Today I'll show you the stud extractor from BGS technique. Anyone who has ever been bolted or removed a stud or had to counter with two nuts knows how tricky it can become. BGS technique has a great tool available, the stud extractor set, which grips inside with 3 clamp rollers and lets you easily remove the studs. Take a look. After fitting, we turn until the clamp roller grips tight. Right now. The whole thing works not only during disassembly but also during assembly and saves you a lot of nerves in the workshop. Your BGS Michael.